As part of the sectional module, we will see details related to setting up single node Hadoop cluster on a server. We will use the Ubuntu 18.04 machine provisioned from GCP. As long as you use Ubuntu 18.04, you can follow these steps. It need not be provisioned from GCP. It can be provisioned from AWS or Azure, or you might even have a server at your home on which you have Ubuntu 18.04. You should be able to follow these steps and set up a single node cluster on that server. I would highly recommend to use multi-node cluster for learning Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, etc. Either you can use the cluster available at your work environment, or you can sign up for our multi-node cluster by going to this link. If you go to this link, if you go to the products, you can see a couple of products here. Once you sign up to these products, you should be able to access a 9-node state-of-the-art cluster where we have Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, everything pre-configured. It is a real powerful cluster and you don't need to worry too much about nuances with respect to setting up a cluster. You can directly practice on this. You will learn these skills using real cluster. In case if you wanted to set up environment by yourself, especially single node cluster, you can follow the topics in the section or module and take care of setting up the cluster. Here are the topics that are covered as part of the section or module. They are nothing but setting up prerequisites such as wget, JDK, etc. We need to configure passwordless login from that server to that server itself using the same user using which we are going to set up Hadoop. In my case, it is ITversity user on my server. You will understand what I'm talking about when you actually go to the topic of setting up passwordless login. Then you have to download and install Hadoop. Once you download and install Hadoop, you will get binaries related to both HDFS and Yarn. First, you need to configure Hadoop HDFS. Once it is configured, you should be able to start and validate HDFS. Once HDFS is started and validated, then we can take care of configuring Yarn and also start and validate Yarn. These are the topics which are covered as part of this sectional module. You will see additional details related to Hive, Spark, setting up datasets in respect to modules. If you sign up for our labs or have access to multi-node cluster at your workplace, you can skip this module and go to the next module. However, if you want to set up a single node cluster by yourself, you can follow the instructions provided as part of this section or module and you can take care of setting up the single node cluster. When it comes to using your PC or Mac to set up single node cluster, I will not recommend. Even if you have 16 GB RAM with quad core, still your system might become slow as you add more and more components to it. I would highly recommend you to use either GCP or AWS or Azure. If we need more resources, we can just upgrade the server and we can practice on a high-end server. As long as you shut down the server when it is not in use, the costs will be nominal, and hence I would highly recommend you to fall back onto cloud-based servers to actually learn these skills, even if you want to learn using single node cluster. Don't try to set up single node cluster on your Mac or PC. It can be counterproductive for you.